Good. You can look around the rooms by using the computer mouse or swiping with your finger. Rehabilitation related to neurological problems. You can also zoom in and out by scrolling with the computer mouse or by pinching in or out with 2 fingers on the screen. You can choose a tour from the menu or see who works at the hospital. Press characters to greet them. Hello, I am a nurse, and I'll support and care for you and your parents during your hospital stay. I'll explain what will happen step by step. Taking pictures of my body with a magnetic camera. What is MRI? Magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, can take very precise pictures of parts of the human body, such as bones, muscles, and joints. The scan is safe and doesn't hurt at all. In this room, the staff can see that everything is fine with you. They will hear you if you want to talk to them. During the imaging, you will be wearing hospital clothes. The giraffe has also been dressed in similar clothes. It is not possible to enter the imaging machine with a watch, jewellery or hairpins, and therefore they must be removed before the imaging. Sometimes you need to be given medicine during the scan, and then a thin plastic tube is put on your hand. The machine makes funny noises, beeping and rattling. Don't be scared. You get headphones and can listen to music. Then the sound from the machine will not be so loud.
Uusi kuvaus käynnistyy.
If pictures are taken of your head, the nurse will put a plastic frame around your head. You will slide on a sledge into the tunnel inside the camera. If you're awake during the imaging, you sometimes have to lie completely still. You can practice doing that at home. This will take you back to the beginning of the application. You can choose a tour from the menu or see who works at the hospital.